Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com. We begin with a Primetime News follow-up as the 4-month-old baby boy who was rescued from a car that was parked along South Camp Road in Kingston on Saturday remains in state custody. The child, who was examined at hospital, is said to be in good health. The rescuers had to break one of the windows of the vehicle to retrieve the baby from the sweltering heat while his mother attended a popular party in the area. Corporal Sanjay Mitchell from JCF's Corporate Communication Unit says the child will remain in state custody until the necessary checks are made.
Certainly, in cases like these, the Office of the Children's Advocate would be involved in the investigative process, as well as the Child Protection and Family Services Agency, to determine whether or not a social worker needs to be assigned to that family or to the child in order to determine the safest place that the child can stay. If there is another legal guardian, the child will more than likely be placed in the custody of that legal guardian. Outside of that, the child remains in state care